Welcome to our latest update on the VSNet warehouse management system. We're excited to introduce a new feature, the Part Basic Information Maintenance UI. Previously, you could only create part numbers for new parts and categorize them by main type and secondary type. But now, we've made some significant changes. With our new UI, you can include photos of your parts, and add detailed information such as color, dimension, and packaging. This feature is designed to make your warehouse management more efficient and user-friendly. And the best part? You can try this feature absolutely free. Just visit our website and download it. Link is at top right-hand corner of this video, or you can find it at the description. But that's not all. If you're interested in our VSNet WMS Basic, we invite you to join our collaboration program. There are two ways you can collaborate with us. First, you can download and use our system, then provide feedback on what improvements can be made or what features you'd like to see added. Secondly, we're open to sending the source code to anyone who wants to add features to the software. And then, if you don't mind, you can send the new feature back to us to share to everyone in the collaboration group. But why are we doing this? Our intention is clear. We want to create a standard format for warehouse management system software that is absolutely free and can be easily adapted by any company. Today, many companies spend tons of money on well-known software, only to find that they have to change their entire company procedure to adapt to that software. We believe there's a better way. Instead of forcing companies to change their procedures, why not create a digitized software that users decide how it works based on their procedures and cuts the effort needed to change their current practices? We hope all collaborative work to be under one base of database. This way, any UI that is created by one collaborator can also be used by others. It's about creating a unified, adaptable system that benefits everyone. However, we must mention that all of this is voluntary. We can't afford to pay our collaborators, but if you share our vision, then together, we can create a powerful, influential warehouse management software that could revolutionize the industry. So join us. Let's shatter the norms and create something truly impactful.